Hello everyone. This is the project of diabetes prediction using machine learning. This is a Jupyter file that we have created for this project. First of all, we have imported the data set named pandas, numpy, matplotlib, seaborn, and import the warnings. And finally we imported our data set. So step 1 is a descriptive statistics. From this, we observe that there are total 768 records and 9 features in the dataset. Each feature can either be int or float data type. Some features like glucose, blood pressure, insulin, BMI have 0 values which represent missing dataset. There are 0 NaN values in the dataset. And in the outcome column, 1 represents the diabetes positive and 0 represent diabetes negative. And we have found out the dataset dimension in the rows and columns, and a feature of data type features we have found out. Then the statistical summary and count of null values, and the next step is the data visualization. So the count plot tells us that the data set is imbalanced, that is, as the number of patients who do not have diabetes is more than those who do. And from the correlation heat map, we can see that there is a high correlation between outcome and glucose, BMI, age, insulin column, and we can select this feature to accept our input from the user and predict the output. Then this is a pair plot and histogram. This is a histogram of each feature. The next step is a data processing. So here we replace all 0 values with the NaN values, and then replacing these NaN values with the mean values, and we applied min-max scaling, and then we split our data set into training and testing. Then that is 20:80 ratio, and we check the dimension of our training testing split. Then step 4 is the data modeling. In this step, we apply different algorithms such as logistic regression, and then we k nearest neighbor, and we plot a graph. Then support vector classifier algorithm, naive-bayes algorithm, decision tree algorithm, random forest algorithm, and we make the prediction on the test data set, and we evaluate the accuracy score metric, and we found out the accuracy on the test set using this algorithm. And we have found that the logistic regression, k nearest neighbor, and random forest has highest accuracy than the other compared to other, and we found out the confusion matrix for the random forest algorithm, and finally the classification report. Thank you.